Hello, this is Keith Clients of Electrical Engineering in Engineering 120 at NMSU. And here I will be explaining how a breadboard works and showing 5 different layouts or designs for a circuit and their measurements. Here is my breadboard layout. As you can see, I'm zooming into it or moving closer. And let me just move this wires out of the way. These are the 5 distinct different circuits or wires designs that I have. This one as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's blurring out because my hand is going in. This is the multimeter. I won't be explaining so much how this works, just showing the measurements that it gives and the data it provides. Here is the first circuit. The first circuit, I connect the red. Okay, over here, sorry, I'm moving into the first circuit. It connects the red to the orange, which is just red, and the gray, which is supposed to be black. As you can see, because these 2 columns do not connect, it gives 0L mega ohms, which is a unit that just isn't discoverable or understood by the multimeter. It's infinite. These do not connect, and there's no way for any kind of load or current to get through these 2 wires. So it'll give this. Here is a resistor which can have current go through it. I'm moving it over now that I've connected it. Okay, so here it is. This is giving a measurement of 9,800 kilo ohms, and a higher number, well, not higher than infinity, but it is a very high value of resistance. There's all kinds, but this is the units, so that just shows that it's 1,000. On to the next one, and these 2 columns are connected, but by a resistor, and that's why there's that resistance. Okay. So I will be connecting the negative to the yellow. Usually the yellow should be black, but there is no current perfect black wire to describe that attribute. There, they're connected. But what you will notice is that these columns, because there's a wire that runs along the entire row of plus, and a wire that runs along column 40, they do not connect. So it gives a 0L mega ohms, meaning infinity or 0 connection. Over here, these wires are on the 50 column. We're going to connect them using, again, yellow as negative. I'm using yellow as negative or gray as negative. And this is giving 0 ohms because it's connected on the 50th column. Gray and red. As you can see, there is no connection, so it gives 0L mega ohms, meaning infinite load, or no current is running through these. Okay, well, that was my circuits and designs. I hope that helped people understand how a breadboard worked and how circuits and designs function on a breadboard, and maybe explained a little bit of DC electrical function. That will be it.